Another cool tool that that sounds fun. Cool tool. Another cool tool that we're going to find in Okta is BuildASign. What's BuildASign? Well, that's where you're going to use all of your marketing. So you go here, and here you can build your signs, your business cards, everything that you need for your marketing material. And guess what? When you join, you're going to receive for free a gift. It's a welcome box, and it's going to have 250 cards that you're gonna have to go here, and then you're going to get agent started key. Okay? And then you're going to design your cards. It's gonna be very basic, but in the meantime, before you hire someone to design them, these are free. These get you going, right? So use your tools. Take advantage of it. Business cards. 10 years later, business cards. Very simple. You're gonna choose your background, and colors. If you don't like black, then you can go white. It's okay. But let me show you what I got. Okay, so I ordered my kit and I finally got it. I think it took like a week or two. So once you join, do it right away so you get them quicker. But let's see what I got. Okay. Welcome by the CEO. Thank you, sir. You get a free mug with a sticker so you can show off you are now with eXp. And these are my favorite 250 business cards. And look, they're great. And I put a QR code so people can go to my website. But I think it's great. And I also got a bunch of envelopes, and you're gonna look professional with these guys, so just get an order. Thanks.